front of me is REALME GT8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Start by opening Settings and tapping on Device Connect right away. Now scroll a tiny bit to hit Print. Following that, tap on the footprint service or any other service you have and wanna use. Don't worry, they all turn on the same way, so click on yours and tap on gray switcher at the top right corner to activate it. Then wait. Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. Quick tip: if you still can't connect, then enable print service. Wait for this plus at the top right corner to show, and when it does, click on it. Then you can either click on search for Wi-Fi direct printers if your printer supports it, tap on allow, and hit go to enable location thanks to gray switcher next to use location if it's not already on your REALME. Go back, tap on search for Wi-Fi direct printers again, and this time wait for your device to scan and find yours. You can also just tap on search by IP address, input it here, and tap on Add to connect manually. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!